Hello, today I'm taking a look at Biscotti. This is a platform where you can manage your privacy controls on websites. So here's a website that I've just added Biscotti to. And when you now visit it, we get this little pop-up, accept all, essential only, and settings. So it looks pretty good. It's in the Biscotti colors, the branded colors, but you can actually white label this if you get the right tier. If I just say save preferences, we've got this little cookie setting down here. I can click that to bring it back up. Adding the consent banner was very easy. I happen to use the code option, but you can see you've got other options if you want to use Google Tag Manager or WordPress, or if you're using Shopify. There's lots of different options, and for most of it, it's just copy the code and paste it in the correct section, and it talks you through how to do that on this page. When you first log in, you'll reach this dashboard. Now, there's no audit here because I've literally just added this to the website you saw, but you can see a little overview of your overall account, and EarlyBird were kind enough to provide me with the agency limited plan so I could show you this. You see the number of sessions available to you that resets on a monthly basis. And it looks like it's also giving me some information as to where visitors come from as well. And if we scroll down, we've got page view, unique visitors. And it looks like there's going to be some interesting information over time for me to take a look at. But as I say, I literally just installed it on this particular website, so not much to see at the moment. There's lots more to this than just that cookie pop-up. In fact, you can see down the side, we've got website scan, compliance report, the banner designer, there's all sorts. The compliance report tab is very helpful. You can set your target region and then it will give you a checklist. Now, I haven't done a scan on that particular website yet. I need to go and do that, but it will let you know what you need to do to be fully compliant. Banner designer is as you would expect. So this is good because if I'm honest, I'm not really a fan of that sort of weird brown color. So I would probably come in here and change it, but then you've got extra options down here as well, and you've got the preview. So personally for me, that brown isn't dark enough with the white text. I find the color contrast isn't there. So if we updated that to, let's try dark blue, and then scrolling down, I think that looks much better myself compared to this, but obviously it's up to you. You can customize it as you see fit. I also want to highlight the legal suite. This can help you with your compliance. So let's set it up for the site I've added. So what kind of site is it? Let's have a look. We've got, it's really just a blog. So we'll say blog. And do I send a newsletter? No. Do I have user generated content? No. Okay, let's click next. Where's the company located? Next page, we enter the company identity. On the next page, it gives us a bit of an analysis. It's saying there's no DPO legally required. I should have the opt-in because I guess because I'm in the UK, and I need a privacy policy. And is there any industry specific? It looks like there is, although I'm not too sure what those are relating to, so I'll have to check those. So what's the blog personal homepage? Well, it doesn't have affiliate links, doesn't have sponsored content. You can tick a couple of these, advice tutorials, how to. You can manually add services, but it does have 1,608 available built in, and we've got the popular services at the top. So if we say all categories, you can take a look down, and it looks like it's defaulting on this page to German rather than English, which is interesting. So they've got a little language issue going on within the tool itself. Let's have a think. What am I using? I don't actually think I'm using that many on here, if anything. But let's, for the sake of it, say that I was using, I'm not using WordPress. Let's say I'm using Cloudflare. Next, which platforms am I on? Well, for this particular one, I'm not, but let's pretend that I am on LinkedIn as well. So we need privacy policy, cookie policy. Do we want term service? No. Do we need cancellation? No. Do we need processing agreement? No. Do we need social media privacy? Okay. Say generate all documents. Generating the documents can take 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how many you've actually requested. You get a little pop-up. You can leave the screen and check out the rest of the tool. And so here we've got 3 documents that it's created. And if we click it open, we can see when it was created, version 1, and it was generated with AI using Gemini. Now, I've used other platforms that have document creation in them, and they have a slightly different approach to this. They allow you to embed the document straight in. Biscotti requires you to actually basically lift it off here and take it and pop it onto your website so you can view it. And I suppose you could copy it, could do the copy button on this page, for example, to copy it, or you can download the HTML, or you can download a PDF. A little bit clunky, if I'm honest, compared to some options I've seen. I much prefer having the ability to either pull it straight in via an embed, or just, as I say, just when you view it, just be able to click copy. It copies that and I can just paste it straight in. I hope you can see the power in this. This isn't just popping up with the cookie banner. This is actually writing the terms that you need for your website. You just need to add them to the site. If you're finding this video interesting, helpful, useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support me, you can visit the deal page via my affiliate link down below. You can see we've got 3 tiers, and for $59, this is really good because you get unlimited websites. So if you've got websites that don't have that much traffic to them, you'll be able to cover them all with just tier 1. But it's not just the sessions that increase with the tiers. You also get things like white labeling and API access at tier 2. And at tier 3, you actually get 25 sub accounts. So if you're an agency, really tier 2, tier 3 is what you want to look at. The white labeling, I've not set it up yet, but looking at it, it looks very comprehensive. You can completely remove their branding. You can add your name, your logo, which can either be an uploaded file, or you can link it to a specific file on your website. You can set the primary colors, you can hide powered by, and you can even include some CSS by looks of things, some custom CSS. And then down the bottom, you've got your preview of what will pop up on the website. There's also the ability to use webhooks. If you say new webhook, you can fire one off depending on the events that take place. There is a website scan option which does a more in-depth look at your site. I did this on a site yesterday when I was setting this up on a test site. And what's really good is it will tell you if the cookie is firing before or after consent is given. So I need to go and address these on this test site if I'm going to keep it running. Once you've completed our website scan, you can then conduct an AI audit. So again, it's letting me know about the 2 issues that I just mentioned. It's giving me a grade C, and it's giving me AI recommendations onto how I can improve my site. So after the site's been set up for a while, you can see your processing activities. The A/B testing feature is one that I've not seen anywhere else. This is pretty cool. You can test different banner variants. So we can give it a color test, and you can see, like, I'm not a fan of that particular color, but maybe I could put it up against the blue and see which one gets more consent acceptances and which one actually works worse. And so that way you've got definitive proof that you're using the best possible design to obtain consent. So you can see there's quite a lot behind the scenes of this tiny little pop-up. And if you want to have all this control over your pop-up, then check out the deal via my link below.